Welcome to the Krix Real Cinema at Home presentation at the HiFi Show.
Just looming in the speaker cables at the moment. As we're doing 20 channels, we're running 20 speaker cables, so it's going to take a while today to run it in.
Just wiring up the connections to the back of the amplifier, so we're going to banana plug all those, get them connected.
It's been a journey, but I really feel that we've arrived at a good destination, and I'm looking forward to seeing the turnout.
For this show, we've taken things down with the team from Krix and Trinnov. We're now doing a 944, so slightly more affordable, but we're not compromising on quality.
It was breathtaking. You can actually feel it right inside. It creates that punch. The surround processing, especially on the monster clip, that was really precise. That's something I personally crave to put it in my own setup.
I was expecting it to be good, but I was impressed with not just the sound and that presentation, but the picture quality was the best we've seen at the show.
It was amazing.
Yeah, I thought it was amazing as well.
Amazing, unlike anything I'd sort of experienced before. I just checked out the demo room with the MX10 and it was awesome that the Bond film was the same, and to sort of contrast the experience with the smaller scale to the MX40 drew you into the experience, and it was amazing. So.